Hi, so today I want to make a mini workout in support of eye health. Many people are looking at too many screens nowadays, and we're doing a lot of focus work, and it's creating a lot of strain in the eyes. But this can also help if you have any other kind of issues, glaucoma, if you have any kind of cataracts issues, you want to bring more blood flow to the eyes. So we're going to do some nice work with the eyes, starting with some acupressure points. So the first point we're going to work with, and you can pick whatever finger works best for you. I like to use my index finger, and you're going to just kind of gently press right here on the tear duct on the inner eye. This is bladder point number 1. And you're just going to work with some nice gentle circles. This is to manipulate the chi and get it going. So it's not about making them fast, nice slow circles to get the chi moving. And not only does it help the eyes, it starts to open up the whole bladder channel that runs down the back and all the way down the back of the legs to your little toe. And then try some circles the other way. Great. Little circles, about 9 in each direction is good. And then we'll bring our awareness up here along the eyebrow to the center. This is called Yu Yao. It's an extra point. And we have this little indentation there in the center. It's directly above your pupil when you're looking straight ahead. And we can make little rotations here. This not only helps the eyes, but it also is really good if you have any issues with migraines, which can also affect the eyes. And just make some little circles here. And then we can reverse it, going the other direction. Good. And then we'll bring our focus to the outside. This is gallbladder point number 1. So it's not in the soft tissue, it's on the edge of the eye socket. And let's activate that. And the gallbladder channel starts here, but it runs all the way down the side of the head, down the side of the body, and down to your 4th toe. So that's also helping open up the lateral side of the body. Just goes to show you how important the eyes are, that all these channels begin here. And now let's try some circles the other way. And bring your awareness and focus to these points. It will help to open up more flow. Help reduce any tension in the eyes. And then let's go to the last point, which is directly below Yu Yao. It's right below the eye. Once again, not in the soft tissue, but on the edge of the eye socket. And let's make some circles here. And breathe in and out through the nose is the best way to do that. And reverse it for roughly about 9 in the other direction. Moving the chi. Tension is just a sign that chi is stuck, so we want to really get it moving. Now let's work with all of those points. So take your thumb, place them on your cheekbones, and make a little knuckle with your index finger. Go right into that first point and rub along your eyebrow to the outer point, back along the outer eyebrow to the inner point, and now underneath and back. And you're going to decide how much pressure you want to put. You want to manipulate the chi, but you don't want to hurt yourself. And this is some of the thinnest skin on the body, especially the lower eye. So make sure you're not hurting yourself, but get it moving here. Back and forth, like windshield wipers. Good. So we're not making circles. We're going across and back, below and back. One more time, above and back, below and back. Good, and that'll get some energy going into the physical eyes. And now let's work with something called the third eye. So this is right between the eyebrows, and let's just rub that point and stimulate the intuition center. And reverse. Good. And then let's rub the temples. Called Tai Yang. Tai Yang, and hold a lot of tension there in the eyes so we can give that a little rub and then reverse it. Good. All right. Let's get our hands warm now. So we're going to help the muscles. One of the things about looking at computer screens is we're usually straight focused, like I'm looking at the camera. We're not looking around so much. I mean, we do a little bit of movement, but it's in a small screens. So we want to make sure we're exercising those muscles. So rub your hands a little bit. Let's create a little bit of heat. That heat creates friction, which is another form of qi. And when you feel like you've got some nice warmth in your hands, cup them over your eyes. And now your eyes are open, and you're going to look up towards the ceiling. We're going to stretch the muscles and send the heat into these different areas of the eye muscles. And now look over to your left, and then down to the floor, and over to your right. Let's make circles. Look up to the left. Both eyes are doing this. Down to the floor, over to your right. Once again, up, left, down, right. Look up, left, down, right. And one more time. Up, left, down, to the right. Now let's look up, and now let's go the other direction. Look over to the right, down to the floor, over to the left, and back up. And you can feel how it's stretching the muscles. Right, floor, left, up. Right, floor, left, up. And you're sending heat there as we do it a couple more times. And one more time. Right, floor, left, up. Good. And then you can bring your hands away from your face and just get some more warmth into those muscles. These are great things to do on a daily basis. In Chinese medicine now, the last thing I want to show you, in Chinese medicine, we're always looking at the root cause. And the root cause means anything that's having a problem with the eyes would be something that's associated with the liver. So we're going to move into a nice liver exercise. So let's take a moment and bring your hands to your liver. Your liver is on the right side of your abdomen, which will look backwards in the video. So I'm going to do it on the correct for my body so it doesn't get too disorienting for me. You'll make sure you're on the right side. So rest one hand on the body and the other hand on top of that. And we're going to start to stimulate the energy that flows through the liver. And we're going to do that in two ways. We're going to work with sound and color. The color we want to work with is green, a beautiful green color. You can think of it like a pine forest is a wonderful example of that, almost like a blue-green. And the sound we're going to work with is guo. It's G as in George, U-O. And it sounds like this. Guo. And that sound creates a resonance in the liver and starts to break up any blockages that might be there. And the liver is responsible for the smooth flow of qi. So the more we can break that up, the better it's going to be for your overall vitality, but also for your eyes. So bring your hands here. And let's take a breath in and bring the hands away from the body and imagine this circle we've created is filled with that green color. Press it into your liver as we make the sound. Guo. Inhale, create another green bubble. Guo. You don't have to be visual, just work with the intention. Inhale, create the bubble. Guo. Inhale. Guo. Let your eyes be open. It's another way to release tension and toxicity. Guo. 3 more. Guo. Filling the liver with color, breaking up toxicity. Guo. And keep your focus on the liver. 1 more time. Guo. And just pause. Take a few deep breaths. Good. And then slowly drop your hands down to the navel. And let's lock this energy in with 3 rubs of the belly. In one direction, 3 more in the opposite. And I hope that gives you some more support and help with your eyes. Have a great day. Take care.